Windows 11 is notorious for being the most used operating system in the world, with macOS being second. I had to choose in between macOS and Windows, and I chose Windows for its compatibility, and I customized it to look like macOS. In this video, I will show you how to make Windows look like macOS. There's a program called My Dock Finder on Steam. It costs $5 and adds the dock and top bar to Windows. There are also a lot of settings to go through. You can add blur and transparency to the dock and top bar, and a lot of other things as well. And it should remove the Windows taskbar. But if not, you can install Buttery Taskbar. Just search for Buttery Taskbar and click the first link, go to Releases, and download the setup.exe. And when it's finished, open it, install, and your desktop should look something like this. I did add some blur and transparency to it, and with that you should be all set. But if you want a search bar like Spotlight on Mac, all you have to do is come to the top left corner, open the Applications menu, click App Store, and search for Power Toys. Open the first one on the list and install it. When it's finished, open it, come to System Tools, and Power Toys Run, and enable it. You can add a keyboard shortcut to open it. There are also a ton of other interesting features in Power Toys as well. Oh, and there's one more thing. The dock also has a program menu. You can customize it in the settings. I have it set to show all programs. And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, when it comes out, eventually.